Welcome back to Car Riftar, the place where power meets precision and design drives desire. Today we've got something special, something bold, and something that's making a comeback in a way no one expected. Yes, it's the legendary nameplate reborn, the 2025 Ford Crown Victoria. Once a staple of police fleets and taxi cabs, the Crown Vic is back, but this time it's refined, redefined, and ready to take on the modern era. Few names carry the legacy that the Crown Victoria does. For decades this full-size sedan was synonymous with durability, authority, and road presence. Fast forward to 2025 and Ford has resurrected this icon not as a retro throwback but as a bold new statement in American automotive design. The 2025 Ford Crown Victoria is no longer just a workhorse, but it's now a luxury performance sedan that's gunning for both premium sedans and muscle cars, merging the stately elegance of its namesake with cutting-edge tech, thrilling performance, and unmistakable street presence. Starting up front, you'll notice the oversized grille echoing the assertiveness of older generations, but now adorned with dynamic LED light bars and an illuminated Ford badge. The squared-off daytime running lights add a futuristic look while paying tribute to the Crown Vic's boxy heritage. The hood is long, flat, and sculpted all muscle, flowing down the side. The silhouette is elegant yet commanding, with a high beltline, broad shoulders, and a stance that screams RWD architecture. Chrome accents are tastefully used around the windows and badging, and the 20-inch alloy wheels or optional 22s complete the profile. Out back it's just as dramatic. You'll find a full-width LED taillight bar, subtle lip spoiler, and dual rectangular exhausts integrated into a diffuser-like rear bumper. It's premium, it's powerful, and it's unmistakably American. Color options include classics like midnight black, Oxford white, and ruby red metallic, along with new choices like urban bronze and deep space blue. Step inside and you're no longer in a cruiser, you're in a command center. The 2025 Crown Victoria offers a driver-centric cockpit with premium materials throughout. The dash is wrapped in leatherette with contrast stitching, and there's a real wood or brushed aluminum trim depending on the trim level. Dominating the dash is a 15-inch floating infotainment touchscreen powered by the latest Ford SYNC5 system, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and full integration with Ford Pass Connect. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, showing everything from performance gauges to navigation to ADAS functions. Ambient lighting lines the door panels and footwells, giving the cabin a luxury lounge feel. Seating is spacious and supportive, available in leather, suede, or Ford's new vegan Eco Luxe trim. Both front seats are heated, ventilated, and massaging, while rear passengers enjoy class-leading legroom, USB-C ports, and their own climate control. Trunk space, it's enormous, over 18 cubic feet, just like the classic Crown Vic. Under the hood, suspension is fully independent front and rear with magnetic ride control on higher trims. The platform is derived from the Mustang Mach-E's rear drive architecture but tuned for luxury muscle. Handling is surprisingly agile for its size. Steering is responsive, body roll is minimal, and with selectable drive modes, comfort, sport, track, and custom, the Crown Vic can be a docile cruiser or a snarling beast. Brakes, 6-piston Brembos up front on V8 models ensure it stops as hard as it goes. There's also a huge aftermarket buzz building. Ford Performance is rumored to offer supercharger kits for the 5.0 V8 suspension upgrades and appearance packs, a nod to the enthusiast community that kept the Crown Vic legend alive. The 2025 Ford Crown Victoria isn't trying to be everything for everyone. It's bold, unapologetic, and a car with character, something that's becoming rare in the modern era. It's got the space of a luxury sedan, the soul of a muscle car, the tech of a flagship, and the swagger of a legend reborn. Whether you're a nostalgic fan or a curious newcomer, the new Crown Vic demands attention and earns respect. If you're looking for a sedan that's not afraid to stand out, a full-size American icon with brains and brawn, the 2025 Crown Victoria might just be your next ride. That's it for today's in-depth review of the 2025 Ford Crown Victoria. Let us know in the comments, is this the return of the king or just a blast from the past? Would you buy one over a Charger, a 300C, or even a BMW 5 Series? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more reviews from Car Riftar, and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss an update.